morning. Sorry. I'm losing my voice. I was gonna do this video yesterday. Then I got sick. Tuesday night, I guess it was, and I told my husband if I don't feel better by tomorrow, I'm gonna go to urgent care. So I went to urgent care, and she didn't really say why, but my left ear was completely clogged. I couldn't hear anything out of it. So they did a rinse. Well, then when they did the rinse, I was like, dizzy and stuff. So I ended up leaving and going home early. And I took some allergy medicine and I went to sleep. So I didn't do a whole lot yesterday. So anyway, I wanted to come on here and do my Joyful Jordan July box is what I have right now. I missed the June box because that was right when we were in the process of switching trailers, I think. But anyway, I just got some coffee. My husband brought it from one of the local gas stations. It's not too bad. Anyway, let's see what's in here. I'm excited. I'm still really stuffy. That's why she's like, she didn't say if I had a cold, if it was allergies. She's just like, oh my goodness, your ear is completely clogged. We're gonna do a rinse. And then they did the rinse, and they didn't, she didn't ask me to take anything. I guess I should have asked, but I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry. This is for June. I didn't ask. I just wasn't feeling good, so I was just ready to get out of there. Okay, so it comes with a little sticker, made with love in the USA. And then, thank you for choosing Jordan Essentials. And it looks like we're getting 3 products, so I'm excited about that. It always comes with the styrofoam peanuts. I should save them. I don't know what I'd use them for, but Raspberry Spritz and Bliss Magnesium Toner Mist balances and minimizes pores. Let's see what it smells like. I can't really smell a lot, but it does smell fruity. Interesting. Well, I don't have makeup on right now, so let's give it a try. Put my glasses on. To use spritz on face or apply with a cotton ball after cleansing or before moisturizing. Well, I cleaned, but I did put a little bit of moisturizer on, but we're still gonna give it a try. I could smell it. It does smell like fruity. We'll see how this goes. Oh, I just wish I felt better. But anyway, we'll get through this. Okay, so the next thing that I got is White Citrus Vanilla Twist Shea Butter. Hydrate and smooth. Indulge your skin with pure African shea butter blended for smooth hydration. This creamy formula melts into dry, rough, or sun-exposed skin, nourishing deeply and beautifully hydrating. Got it on my lips. That's really pretty. See what it smells like. Oh, this smells really good. maybe I can put some on my, sorry, put some on my heels tonight. It smells a little bit, I mean, you can smell vanilla, but it also smells like a little bit of coconut, maybe. I don't see coconut, but oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. My hair. Okay, and then the next thing I got is blueberry glycerin soap, clean and nourish. And this kind of reminds me of what the candle comes in, you know, like the Scentsy candles. It does smell like blueberry. The bricks, the candle bricks. So that's what I got in my June Joyful Jordan box. And I'm dropping everything everywhere. Somebody's car alarm just keeps going off. I don't know if they're like moving stuff in their purse and it's hitting. This has got a pretty strong scent because I can still smell it. Well, that's not going to be very long. That's about all I have for you. I don't have any, I don't think I have any Temu orders. Let me go look at my car. Hold on a second. Nope, I did have one. I had it delivered to my mom's house. She gave it to me whenever I was there. Another it's like another light. It's like a camping light, and I got one of these before and we really liked them. Yeah, it looks like the same one that I got. It's USB. And let me see. So last time, yeah, it's already charged. And it goes bright to dim. I don't want to do the strobe light. And then off. So it's a bright, a dim, and an off. And the same up here. I'm scared it's going to be strobe. So it's like a bright yellow, a lighter yellow, or soft white, I think is what they call it. And then off. And then off. And then these, I believe they, thought it like extended more, but this is like a base so it'll sit on, and then you can adjust these. I thought this got longer. It does look like it gets longer. I just don't know how to. I'll have to mess with it. But you could turn these anyway. Let's see how long it goes. It says it's waterproof. I mean, it shows like it goes up quite a bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. So let's turn this back on. I got an umbrella. Anyway, I like it. You could never have enough flashlights or lights, right? So this is the camping light, and then the bottom is the flashlight. I don't remember how much this was, but it is definitely worth it. This is our second one. We liked the first one. In fact, my husband's kind of taking it over. I think it's in his truck. But it's nice to have something there just in case. Power outages, which we're having a lot of here. So far, not in any of the areas we've been in lately, but they are starting to do they're called brownouts here. So it's like a scheduled power outages. If it gets too hot, you know, they're trying to save the grid. I don't know, but all right, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna do some work, and then hopefully my day goes by fast and I can go home, go back to bed. And but if I get anything else today, I will add it to this video to try to make it a little bit longer. If I feel like it later, maybe I can even add like a little get ready with me, but I don't even feel like putting on makeup right now. So anywho, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will be doing a video for our 4th of July. I'll be with Wyatt and the family, and the kids usually always want to make some type of a video when I'm there. So anyway, be looking out for that video tomorrow. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later.